Hey guys, I'm with Sarah here at the Britax booth, and we're going to look at some cool new products they have coming out to help you with your twins. We're talking car seats, so let's take a look at some of these products right now.
When those kids have the accidents, whether it's with the diaper, a sickness, and you're out of commission using your car seat for maybe a whole day, when you have to hand wash, line dry. So we're working and bringing to market a fashion or a technology called Safe Wash. And that means, again, that it's safe to go in the washer and it'll be safe to go in the dryer as well. This is a fashion that we're calling Auto, and it will be our first fashion to market. We'll have a rear-facing only seat called the Endeavours that is a 4 to 35 pound seat, up to 32 inches. And you'll notice that one of its key features here is the anti-rebound bar. Plays an important part in stabilizing that car seat during the crash event. This seat here is the Advocate ClickTight. So this is a convertible, 5 to 40 pounds rear facing, up to 65 pounds forward facing. Besides the fabric, I gotta let you guys know, if you haven't seen this before, something that's really cool is the ClickTight installation technology. So the whole seat pan lifts up. We would put our seat belt through the green belt path for forward facing or blue for rear facing. I just make sure the seat belt's in a nice straight line, not a lot of excess slack, and I push it closed until I get an audible click and the logo returns horizontal. So there's none of that pushing on the car seat and tensioning the seat belt. Very, very easy installation. We also have a harness to booster, or what some of you guys might refer to as a combination seat, called the Pinnacle ClickTight. So this is a forward-facing only seat for the kids as they get a little bit bigger. It starts at 2 years and 25 pounds, up to 90 pounds with the internal harness. And then it converts to a high back booster, up to 120 pounds. All right. Has a 9-year expiration from date of manufacture, so you can use this one seat for 9 years, as well as the ClickTight convertibles have a 10-year expiration. So they have some really good usable life.
If you want any more information about the products we talked about in this video, check for the link next to this video where you can check out the product, get one for yourself, or learn more about it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.